Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How was your day? How was your week? So today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious, yummy, soft and moist chocolate chip banana bread. This is gonna be the best banana bread you've ever had. So let's jump right ahead. We need a cup of chocolate chip, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 1.5 cup of flour, baking soda, salt, vanilla extract, 3 large bananas or 4 medium-sized bananas, and then we need a butter, melted butter. So let's go right ahead. Mash your bananas with a fork. This recipe, we don't need any equipment, nothing. Just one bowl and we are done. We need 1 egg as well, guys, to make everything very, very fluffy. Go ahead, mash it. It doesn't need to be pretty, just mash them, and so long as it's all mashed, it's okay. Just mash them like so. And then we're gonna go right ahead and pour in our melted butter. And then next we crack 1 big egg. Mix it all up. And then we're gonna put in a half cup of brown sugar. This is gonna be so tasty, yummy and soft. And then half a cup of sugar. And then just a little bit of vanilla extract. Let's just say it's a teaspoon. I just use the cup of the vanilla extract in measuring it. And then 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Just make sure that it's incorporated, don't over mix it. And then we're gonna put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix them in. Don't overwork the flour. Just as soon as you can't find any white flour, that should be fine. Guys, try this out and let me know how it went. If there's any other recipe you would love for me to try out, leave a comment in the comment section. And that is a cup of chocolate chip. This is gonna be so yummy. Guys, feel free, hit the like button, share this video with friends and family, and then subscribe. Kindly subscribe, okay? Thank you. Then we're gonna pour it into a pan, a loaf pan. It's already, coated with butter. Our oven is already preheated to 150 degrees Celsius. And then because we love chocolate, right? We're gonna sprinkle in more chocolate. Just to feel good with ourselves, right? You will bake this for an hour 15. Just when it gets to an hour, bring it out and just use a pick and see if your dough is dried. If it's not, leave it for an hour 15. And there you go, guys. That's how it looks. There you go, your chocolate chip banana bread. Thank you for watching. Bye.